everyone, I hope you're doing well. I'm here right now to review Thursday and Friday's language arts assignments. You will have one assignment that spans over the course of 2 days. Some of you may be able to complete the assignment on Thursday. I would then be able to provide feedback, and you can edit and revise your writing as you see fit. But just know that Thursday and Friday will cover the interaction of story elements, brainstorming, and micro-progression writing activity for How Odin Lost His Eye. So hopefully you have read How Odin Lost His Eye. That was assigned for Wednesday, and then you should have completed some comprehension questions. We are going to use the same passage for our activity on Thursday. So when you come to our course page, you will see that I have the information already in our announcements. So if we just scroll down, again, I have our pictures. I have a little video note again there for you. I do say please watch this video to better understand where to go to get your assignment for Thursday and Friday. Notice that I do not have the video embedded just yet. I am currently recording it. So when I am done, I will then embed the video right here. I also have the link for our calendar. I have the link for our discussion board where you can post any questions or concerns, but really it'll probably just be easier for you to email me, for you to text me. Anything that might be a little bit quicker than posting on the discussion board might be better, okay? So just know that that is where a lot of our information is posted. You could also get our information from our calendar. Now, I know some of you may not sign on to our course page specifically, but you may just sign on to another teacher's course page, and then you would be able to see all of your calendars right here. Notice that we only see my calendar right now, but you guys might have all of your calendars there, and that's fine too. So we can get to our calendar from here, our slides that show us our daily work and agendas. So let's just make that a little bit bigger so we can see. I still have Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and now Thursdays and Fridays. I did get some text messages from several of you today saying that Wednesday's assignment looked the same as Tuesday's assignment. Please be sure that you are looking at the correct slide for the specific day and that you click on the correct link. The slides do look very similar, and what I have done now is I have color-coded the day and the date up at the top, maybe just to make the day stand out a little bit more. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday and Friday. Okay, so just be sure that you are on the correct slide and clicking the correct link. All right, so here's the slide for Thursday and Friday. Please make sure that you click on the correct classroom link. All of the links are here and all of them work, but first we will click on second periods. So once you're here and you click on your specific link, it will bring you to our Google Classroom. If you're having trouble getting into Google Classroom, make sure that you click on your G Suite and just open up all of your Google access, okay? All right, so our learning targets for Thursday and Friday. I can cite extensive evidence to support analysis of a text. I can evaluate and summarize a complex theme and its development over the course of a text. And I can evaluate the impact of the relationships between the plot of a story and the characters. So these are the AKS that we have been working with throughout the entire week with Theseus and the Minotaur and How Odin Lost His Eye. For Thursday and Friday, you will use the passage How Odin Lost His Eye in order to complete the brainstorming activity and a written response. So I'm hoping that if you did not complete Wednesday's activity, that you complete it before you attempt this assignment. You will not be able to answer the questions if you have not read How Odin Lost His Eye, the specific passage that language arts teachers are uploading, not another passage that you may have Googled or looked up or searched. You must use the passages that are in our assignments and that are linked to our lessons. Okay, you will click on the Google Slides titled How Odin Lost His Eye, Interaction of Story Elements, Brainstorming and Micro-Progression Interactive Writing Activity. Okay, when you have completed this assignment, be sure to turn it in. The assignment is due on Friday, April 10th, so you will continue with these slides. I know it says tomorrow, meaning Thursday and Friday. All right, here are some step-by-step instructions for Thursday's assignment. Please know that there are video links on each slide. Please watch and listen to the videos to better understand the task. So you will read through the information on slide 2. The information provides insight into the theme of the passage. And you know what? I am going to pull up our slides. They are right here. And what I will do is split screen them so that we can go through our steps and I can quickly show you the slides. So here I'm just going to pull over the slide right here, and this is our Google assignment over to the left. Okay, so it says bring up our slides. Now I also have at the bottom the passage. Okay, so if you need that, pull that up again. You can listen to the videos or reread and get your textual evidence from there. So you will look at slide 2. Okay, now this is slide 1 over on the left, the right-hand side. You can watch and listen to a quick video that I put together to describe and explain the assignment a little bit more. Here is slide 2. Okay, so make sure that you are looking at slide 2 and reading through the information there. Again, you can watch and listen, so I have a video recording for that. Over here it says read through and complete the brainstorming activity on slide 3. Follow the directions and type your responses into the appropriate text boxes. Watch the video for more help. So here's slide 3. Up here it says watch and listen. Click the question for the link. So if I click the question, a link will pop up and I will be able to listen to the question being read, but also some further explanation. Okay, so make sure you're doing that. There are links on every single slide. So you also need to make sure that you click in this text box and identify what Odin sacrificed, why he made the sacrifice, and what does the sacrifice say about Odin as a person. So you will need to answer these 3 questions as part of your brainstorming activity. Okay, then slides 5 through 9 provide information about our writing and how to better it. Please read and review each example given on each slide. Watch the videos for more help. So that was slide 4. Make sure you read through that and listen. And again, I have a link up here. You can click on the title and listen to the video. Slide 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 offer specific examples of our writing process. You will be asked to write at the distinguished level based on Odin and his characteristics and the interaction of story elements. So here you can watch and listen. Again, here's the link. For slide 6, here's the link. You just got to click on the title. 7, 8, and 9, all the same thing. If you click on the title, you will get explicit information and directions, and you will get the chance to understand what each of these levels mean. Okay, so we're showing you the stages of writing: the beginning learner, the developing learner, the proficient learner, and the distinguished learner. Okay, by the end of this assignment, we do want you writing at the distinguished learner level. Now, here is where you will write all of your information and type everything here. So yes, you will be typing and answering questions on slide 3, but you will also be answering a constructed response on slide 10. You're going to be answering the same question: how do Odin's actions develop the theme of sacrificing for the greater good? You need to make sure that you are able to write about that in a well-developed paragraph. Basically, it's a short constructed response. Our race paragraph, you need to restate and answer the question. You need to include citations and quotes from the passage, and then you need to explain it. Okay, so this needs to be a well-developed paragraph, a race paragraph. Again, you can listen to the slide being read to you and further explanation if you just click on the title. Okay, and if you are able to read and understand the example on this slide, then you should be able to follow this example and write about Odin in the same way. The examples explain Scrooge and how he developed the theme in A Christmas Carol, something that we are all very familiar with. So please make sure that when you go through these slides, you click on all the available links and tools that will help you. And then I also included an 11th slide that has just some information here. You don't need to do anything on these slides. These are just some anchor charts that can help you understand what it is you need to do and give you some further insight to the writing process. Okay, so back over to the left to our Google assignment. It says, finally, you will write a well-developed response to the question on slide 10. You will use your brainstorming information from slide 3 to create your response on slide 10. If you are able to answer each of the questions on slide 3, you should include all of that information, if not more, in your response. Be sure to include textual evidence in your response. Okay, and then when writing, remember the following: use correct punctuation, capitals, a variety of sentence structures, include textual evidence, use your leads in, and make sure that you are editing and revising your writing. This information right here about your writing, I do have a when writing, remember the following list over here as well. Okay, once you have completed the Google slides, then you are done. And then all you need to do is go ahead and submit it. Like I said, this lesson spans over 2 days. You might be able to finish it on Thursday. However, I'll be checking to make sure that you guys are doing a good job. I am going to schedule Google Meets for Friday so that we can go over the assignment, so that you can get some more help. So just tell your parents to look out for an email for that. And if you have any questions come tomorrow, please call me, please email me or text me. I will be happy to help you. Okay, so this is second period's link. Let me show you third period's link. Third period's link is right here, so it works fine. Okay, and let me show you fourth period link. Oops, sorry, that is not fourth period link. That is our other slide. Let me go to our big slides. Fourth period right here. So all the links are live and active, and they should be ready to go for you tomorrow. Okay? If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask, and I hope you all are doing very well.